It is also télévision est off. The house feels calm.
I have something special here.
I am bored. Me too. There is nothing to do.
Hey kids, why do you look so tired?
Look at this letter.
What is it? Is it for us?
Dad opens the envelope slowly.
Come here, everyone.
Let's look together.
Wow. This is exciting.
Haha, I love your smiles.
This is good news.
Family hug.
Yes,
Suitcases appear beside the sofa.
I will pack now. Me too.
The family house shines in warm sunlight.
Hold your bags.
stay close.
The airplane goes up into the sky. White clouds pass by the window.
Look outside. It is so high.
The coastline appears below. The city slowly comes into view.
That is Sydney.
It is beautiful. It looks like shells.
Yes, white shells.
The water is shiny. So pretty.
Melody slightly deters.
The big bridge stands over the water.
Vocal humming.
Look up there.
Can we take photos? Please.
Smile.
Cheese.
Melody slightly developed.
The water moves gently.
Vocal texture.
The land is red and hot.
Soft and airy.
Walk slowly.
It is warm.
A giant rock appears.
It is huge. Wow.
Lonely piano pads very calm.
The sun is very bright.
Gentle humming returns.
The ground feels warm.
Red sand fills the land. A boomerang spins in the air. It lands far away.
Piano.
A kangaroo hops nearby.
Look. It is a kangaroo.
The kangaroo stands still.
Be quiet.
Just watch.
The sun sets over Uluru. Long shadows stretch across the sand. The ocean is blue and wide.
Be careful.
Hold the rail.
The reef is deep below. Coral shines in many colors. Fish swim together.
I see a fish. So colorful.
Lean slowly.
Stay safe.
A big shadow moves. A sea turtle swims calmly. It comes closer to the surface.
So peaceful.
Very calm.
Sunlight dances on the water. The ocean is quiet.
Bye. See you.
The boat moves slowly. The forest is fresh and green.
Check your bags.
Are you ready? This bag is heavy.
I am ready. Let's go.
The trail begins. Trees stand tall. Light comes through leaves.
I go first.
Slow down, Ethan.
I am a bit tired.
The path goes up.
Let's stop.
Good idea. I need a rest.
My legs hurt. Mine too.
Only on paths
A magnifying glass appears.
vocal humming.
Ants carry food. Leaves show tiny lines.
Ready again?
Yes.
Est opiniâre. They walk together.
Only piano. That's very calm.
The mountaintop is wide.
Gentle humming returns.
We did it. Yay!
Great job.
I'm proud.
Clouds move slowly.
Let's sit.
Piano slowly fades out.
Enjoy this.
Water time. Yes.
They feel calm and happy. The house is quiet.
I am alone today.
The phone screen is black.
Please turn on. Oh no.
Sunlight fills the room.
I will go out.
She walks slowly. The trees move in the wind. A bakery smells nice. Fresh bread looks warm.
One croissant, please.
Books glow softly.
I love real books.
Flowers fill the shop.
They are beautiful.
You're home.
Yes. Family time is the best.
Always.